Hey guys, Josh Moore here with a very quick review video about a brand new case study training that a good friend of mine, DePapa, is releasing on Friday, the 27th. So, depending on when you're watching this video, it's a good chance it's already live. This is actually, again, a full case study. And if you've never heard of Demetrius, nicknamed DePapa, he is always out there releasing case study training programs where he spends months and months and months learning, perfecting, and then systemizing a new process of going out there and being able to make money for brand new beginners. And he's done it over and over and over again. And he's been able to rack up hundreds upon hundreds of success stories. And he's been able to do it again with his new Buried Profits AI training course. And again, what I love about it is that his training programs are always step by step, but also case study. He walks you through the entire process through the course. It's not something based on theory. He shows you his real results, absolutely everything. And you can see here in module one, he starts off with a great overview and proof of his system actually working. And this entire course is all around using expired domains and in a very unique way that he's been able to find to not only make money immediately, okay, but also make money in multiple different ways and be able to get traffic from multiple different ways. Now, some of you may or may not know that we've been doing something very similar for years now, where we leverage expired domains for multiple different, strategies. Okay, whether we're redirecting the authority to another domain, whether we're building our own private blog network, whether we are selling the domain, whether we are redirecting the traffic directly to an affiliate offer. There's so many things that we've done with expired domains, and we've actually built software that automates a lot of that process. So this training course actually fits perfectly with the software that we've developed, and that's why I'm excited for this because for those of you that pick this up, if you don't already have access to those software that we've developed, you'll be able to get it as a free bonus, and they work perfectly with Demetrius's training course. So inside of his course, again, he actually walks you through his process of identifying domains, what he does immediately to start making money right away, what he does while that domain is making money. So he's making money while he's figuring out what the next step is. So what he's trying to figure out when he purchases it is how much traffic it's getting, how trendy it is, where he's going to get his traffic, how he's going to rebuild the site, whether he's going to sell it, whether he's going to keep it. So there's so many cool strategies that he shares in this, especially right away, how you can start making money with it quickly. He shares exactly how he finds domains, what he looks for in a domain, how he rebuilds the domain. He shares a very cool strategy and platform that he uses to actually rebuild the domain quickly using AI. And it's just an overall course that works perfectly if you're looking to get in with a very low barrier to entry strategy. He's picking up these domains, expired domains, for about 10 to 12 bucks. And he's able to pretty quickly recoup his investment, again, in multiple different ways. And he shares everything inside of this course from how he's doing his research to know exactly which niche and which type of domain to buy. All his research strategy is very simple, very practical, and um, very powerful as well. The way that he does his research and identifies which direction to go in. So he's not just blindly buying domains; he's buying expired domains with an intention because he's already done some powerful research. So he covers a lot of that in the Finding Your Gold. Then he validates the domain. Okay, he rebuilds the site. So in this video, he actually walks you through absolutely everything from start to finish on building and rebuilding the entire site, and using actually some of the history of the domain to help you in that process as well. How to add your monetization, how to finalize the domain. Then he also walks you through how to clean up anything that may be preventing you from getting more Google traffic. So he does, if it's a domain that he's going to keep long term, He wants to make sure he cleans everything up because sometimes expired domains do get some spam links sent to them or broken links or all these different things. So he shows you exactly how to go in, clean all of that up so that you can regain all of that trust with Google, and your domain and your website starts shooting up in the rankings and you start getting a lot more free traffic from Google. Then he sets up, how you start getting even more traffic, setting up Google AdSense. And if you do want to flip your domain, which we all know when it comes to expired domains, you can go ahead and flip your domain for a good return. And many of you may have seen my update that I sent out a few months ago, where I sold one of my domains for over $35,000. So this is a complete step-by-step course, and he covers absolutely everything from start to finish. And for those of you who pick this up, again, I'm going to give you full access to my Done For You Authority platform, which pretty much works hand in hand with everything that he shows in his course, so that you can find domains to use with his monetization and rebuilding strategies right away. This is our platform that sits in here and does nothing but find expired domains on its own 24/7, 365 in all niches that have existing backlinks, existing authority. And again, they're going to work perfectly with exactly what he shows you in his course on actually starting to turn those expired domains into profit. Um, and on top of that, you're also going to get my traffic jacker software, which this one is a little bit of you going in and finding the domains on different platforms. And inside of this course, Demetrius shares a couple of strategies and a couple of websites that he likes to see where backlinks are coming from and where to get traffic for. So inside of my traffic jacker, again, it's a little bit more of a manual process, but in here you can see you can target specific domains of where these expired domains are. Okay, so they're going to have a backlink from Blogger, they're going to have a backlink from CNBC, CNN, Facebook. Okay, there's one in here in particular, and I'm not going to mention because I don't want to give away too much, because Demetrius covers all of it in his course. But there's one in here specifically that he loves and he talks a lot about in his course, not only to get traffic, but to make money as well, to earn affiliate commission. So, and if you can use our platform to find a domain that's already listed on there, that makes it even better. So, this is an amazing course that I highly recommend. I highly endorse. Demetrius and I have been working together for years now. I always endorse everything that he puts out, because, again, he spends months himself figuring it out, going through all the trouble, going through all the mistakes, systemizing it, perfecting it, and then he comes out with a course that's always backed with real proof from his own journey, figuring it out. And he's done the same thing with this course as well. So I highly recommend it. It's a very, very inexpensive course as well, highly discounted. You can get access to it right below. And again, you're going to get access to those two bonuses from me, which is going to give you a huge head start from everyone else who's picking this up, because a lot of what he's going to show you, they'll have to do manually, but you have my two software that speeds up the whole process. So pick this up right below. Submit your receipt to my support desk to claim your bonuses.